Hi friends, if you own a WordPress website, this video is for you, and this is going to be a series of video and it is going to actually very important for enhancing the capacity of your WordPress website, security and performance. So don't miss watching this series of video. In this series of video, I am going to tell you 101 tips for WordPress website that is going to make your website successful, secure and user friendly. So this will be a combination of 10 videos. In fact, I am dividing the video in 10 parts. Initially, I will discuss simple tips and tricks for enhancing the performance of your website. Gradually, we will increase to the advanced tips, and you might be aware about any of these things. But even that, don't skip to watch this video, as you might be missing something, or something may be very important for you which you are not utilizing in a proper manner. In this video, we are going to discuss what to do at WordPress website, and we are not going to discuss how to do. Just in case if you want any assistant and support on any of points, don't hesitate in asking any question in the comment section of video. I will definitely make another video or help you out in any way to make your website successful. I have this example website. I have the backend of WordPress as well, and I have opened the cPanel as well. Just in case, if required, I will show you how to do things in short. But this video is going to look like a text trading thing and might be a bit boring for you, but points are really very important. So if you have not subscribed this channel as of now, please do subscribe, because it is going to give you the alerts on next videos when the next video is coming up. And also I used to upload regularly themes, plugins and utilities for WordPress, so this channel is definitely useful for you if you are having a WordPress website or you are in plan to have a WordPress website. So without any further delay, let us start discussing the points, and let us start with the very first point. The first point says check website availability to worldwide in all geolocations. So you might not be aware about your availability of your website everywhere in the world. So have you ever thought your website is available in all parts of world or not? You might be using a CDN service that does not delivers in all parts of world, or you might be using a cloud hosting services that is not available in all parts of world. And if you are using a .com domain and willing to spread your business or services throughout the world, it is very important check for you. So you can check your website availability throughout the world through following 4 websites. So these are links, and yes, I must tell you, I'm going to add the link of my website in the description of this video. You can get all these links and tips in a written format as well, so you can follow the link directly from the website. Just click on the link given in the description. You will get the description in the blog format on my website. So the first point says you have to check the availability of website worldwide, and these are the 4 websites that is available free of cost. It is absolutely free of cost, and it can tell you where your website is available and how it is available. So just for example, I'll show you. To make the video more interactive for you, I'll show you one example, but I'll not show for each point. Just this is the first one. I will check my website itself. So this is a link out of 4 links, and I am checking I'm also opening the second link and we will check the WP themes website. So let us go for https://wp.co.in, and I'll also check on another website meanwhile it is going through, and it does not take much time. Now the geopicker.com is showing the availability of website, that is wpthemes.co.in, and it is checking at 10 nodes, I believe. Okay, so it is 9 nodes. And first of all, the website got uploaded in Virginia, and second in the Ireland. Similarly, rest of parts of the world is being tested. And similarly, we have another testing tool called Optimia, and Optimia has tested this website, and it is showing that website is available at as of now on 33 location out of 37, now 34, and it is all showing green. Wherever website is not available, it is red. So it is being a very important tool for testing the availability of your website, and don't skip this test. And if you have got your website developed from any external agency, just ask them to check all this availability for your website as well. The second point is another question for you: are you using CDN? So as in first point, I said if you are using CDN, you need to check the availability of your website, and if you are actually using CDN service, then the first test is required. And if you are not using CDN, it is advised, strongly advised, that you have to use CDN. Okay, so again I am giving you another 3 links that is providing 3 CDN service absolutely free, and once you start using CDN at your WordPress website, it is going to enhance the performance of your website, and you will certainly get the edge of speed, and definitely your website will be run faster. So use CDN service. This is being the second tip, and these are the 3 CDN service provider, namely Jetpack, QuickCloud and Cloudflare, that those are providing free CDN for WordPress websites. The third point says, have you compressed images on the website? So images being the major cause of slow loading website, and if you are using the PNG or heavy image at your website is really going to be very slow. And I advise to use the WebP formats at your website. WebP formats is a new format of image that loads very fast, and you can use, if you are using the Jetpack CDN and using the enhanced the speed optimization option at Jetpack, you'll get the WebP images at your website from the Jetpack CDN itself. Or if you don't want to use the WebP format, you can use compression tools at your website so that your images may be compressed and having low size, so that your website may load faster. So this is another link for you through which you can upload a plugin at your website, that is Smush It, and Smush It compresses all the images in the required format for your WordPress website, and it is really going to help in the speed of your website. The fourth point is also related to the images, and it is asking whether your website and the server has GZIP or Brotli enabled. So it also produce the images in the compressed format, and GZIP compression improves the website loading speed. So you can check whether your server or website is GZIP enabled or not. Here is the link. You can check the GZIP compression is enabled or not. So this is being the fourth tip. And if it is not, you can ask your hosting provider to provide the GZIP compression. And again, if you are using the cloud player or any other mentioned CDN, your website will be GZIP enabled. So it is another advantage of using a CDN. So it provides the GZIP compression tools as well. The fifth point says whether your website is mobile friendly. So have you ever checked your website is mobile friendly or not? It is not about the responsive part. It is another testing that Google says in Core Vital Tools. In Google Core Vital Tools, you can read all these details. So your website should be mobile friendly, and only mobile friendly websites are going to get better links on the search results like Google. So this is being the another link for you through which you can check whether your website is actually mobile friendly or not, and if it is not, your website is actually useless. So on an average we are getting 70 to 75% traffic at our website from the mobile devices, and if it is not mobile friendly, it is not going to perform. So it is necessary to have a mobile friendly website, and this is the check for mobile friendliness. So go for this. The sixth point says, have you checked your website page speed insights? This is another testing in fact. So it is all about the website testing. In the first video we are focusing on the website testing tools, so that you may test your website whether it is enabled and the basic features has been enabled or not from this hosting or the development side, so that your website may be technically sound first of all. And the sixth video says, have you checked your website is page speed insights? So it is going to tell you what improvements are required at your website. So it is very important test, and this is being the link through which you can test the page speed insights. The seventh point is very common, but it is very important one. Have you checked your website SSL? So it brings HTTPS and secure log pad at your website, which tells users and the search engines and the rest of world that your website is using SSL certificate and it is secure for transactions and all such things. So if you are having an e-commerce website and you don't have SSL certificate, it is again useless website for you. So it is necessary to have SSL certificate at least for e-commerce website, and I recommend SSL for all the websites nowadays. So majorly websites are using SSL certificates, and it is available free at the hosting plans, and also even you are having any hosting plan with WP Themes website, it comes with SSL certificate. So it is very simple thing nowadays, and you might be using this. So check the SSL availability of your website. This is being the link. You can check your website whether it is SSL or not, or what is the validity of your SSL certificate. The eighth point says, have you connected your website to Google Webmasters, or that is with Search Console? So it is going to give you complete insights of your website on the search engine. And again, so you can connect your website to the Google Webmaster, that is Search Console, by following this link. You should have a valid Gmail account for this, and on the same browser you should log in with your Gmail account and open this link, and this link will navigate you to connect the Google search engine Search Console, that is Webmaster Tools, with your website. So keep open both the things on the same browser, that means WP admin and your Gmail account. So in the next point I am going to tell you even about a plugin that brings all the settings directly from Google. So if you have yet not connected your website, you can also link the Google Search Console using the Sitekit WordPress plugin that has been especially made for WordPress by Google. So both the ways you can follow this link, or you can use the Sitekit plugin for connecting your website to Google Search Console. It is very important. Don't ignore this thing. This is very important, and this is going to connect your website directly from Google. Again, ninth point is also from the Google connectivity, and it is very commonly known as Google Analytics. So this is for understanding the visitors and complete analytics of your website performance. You may use Google Analytics. So Google Analytics again can be connected with a valid Gmail account, and I recommend to use a single Gmail account to connect all the Google features like Google Search Console or Google Analytics or Google AdSense and whatever. So use a single Gmail account so that you may not get confused in future. So what I said, so you can use Google Sitekit plugin to connect Search Console, Analytics and AdSense. Download Sitekit here. So this is being the link where you can connect your WordPress website to Google Analytics, and here is the link from which you can download the Google Sitekit plugin, and again you can install that plugin and connect your WordPress website to Google services. And the last point for this video is the are you using suitable cache management plugin. So it is also going to improve your website in very possible manner. So these are the 4 major plugins, that is cache plugins, that is available free of cost, and you can use these plugins wisely for your website. And remember, there are certain settings to be done while using this plugin, and you can ask any question regarding this plugin in the comment section of this video. I will also try to answer, and we will try to make another videos if you don't understand through the text only. So don't worry for that, and 10 points has been discussed in this video. And just subscribe this channel so that you may be connected with the WP Themes channel for getting alerts on the video, and also press the bell icon after subscribing this channel. So I'm going to bring very important WordPress tips for you, and don't hesitate asking any question and in the comment section of this video, and also follow the link given in the description of this video so that you may get all the links in a live manner. Keep watching, keep making WordPress better. Thank you.